If your crush is a bad kisser, all hope is not lost. Anyone can get better at kissing with a little practice and some coaching. You just have to show them what you like. Kiss them how you want to be kissed. And don't be afraid to tell them what you want. You can say, "I love it when you kiss me like this," or "Try kissing me like this instead." If your crush goes too fast, try slowing things down. If they use too much tongue right off the bat, tell them you think it's sexier to take things slow and build up the anticipation. You can even turn it into a game. Kiss them how you like to be kissed. Then have them kiss you the same way back. When your crush does kiss you the way you like, make sure you let them know. The more you practice kissing with them, the better they'll get, and the more enjoyable it will be for you both.